Romana lived in a wondrous fairy tale land where gentle hills rolled and bright, colorful flowers always bloomed for all to see. One sunny morning, she discovered a very small, friendly lavender dragon hiding near some sweet berry bushes growing. The tiny dragon, named Marshmallow, offered a gentle purr and loved eating fluffy white marshmallows he found. Romana giggled, offering him more yummy treats, and decided they would embark on a soft cloud quest together. Marshmallow needed a super soft spot for his afternoon nap, so they began their gentle adventure journey right away. They floated past happy mushroom homes, Marshmallow flapping his delicate purple wings excitedly through the air. A group of kind, leaf-green fairies waved hello from their flowery perch on a big, happy sunflower nearby. The friendly fairies pointed to the puffiest cloud, soft as cotton, floating high above a peaceful winding stream. Romana and Marshmallow snuggled onto the cloud, which felt like a giant, soft, warm pillow for both of them. Romana smiled, learning that dragons could be soft, sweet companions, especially her marshmallow-loving new friend. Want to be the hero of your own story? And at the same time, experience unique learning quest connected with that story? Visit Littale.com now. Participate in fun challenges like answering true and false, rearrange storylines, read aloud practice, select correct words from multiple choice, and fill in the blanks. Score big and climb the leaderboard. Start your learning with Littale.com today.